Hi, my name is Angie, and I am living in Billings, Montana. Currently, I'm working as a substance abuse counselor. I just got promoted to working with women and their children in a long-term residential program, and I actually start that position tomorrow, so I am a little nervous about it. What I've enjoyed most about my learning experience in previous classes, I really did like the class that I started um, with group and the developmental stages. That was actually a really good class. My last class was difficult research methods. What I'm looking forward to in this course is to learn about the legalities, um, understanding, I guess, government policies and things like that, because I think it's really important to understand that in this field. Um, yeah, I think that's really all I have to say. I'm really looking forward to getting to know everybody in the class and to also seeing some of the people that I have had class with in the past. So nice to meet everybody and have a good day.